Welcome back to my channel, Chanel. Today I'll be showing you all how to crimp your hair.
She's so bougie, won't never take.
So I'm starting off with the back of the hair. So you want to spray the whole width of the hair with the Got To Be spray. Then take your crimping iron and go all the way down. You want to go top to bottom, because if you don't go top to bottom, the ends will just be raggedy. Also, if you do not go to the end of the hair, the bottom of the hair will not have the wavy look that the rest of the hair has at the top. So you want to put the crimping iron on the hair and hold it in place for about 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. It just depends. So I'm going to the second layer. I'm going to make sure I'm going by each row of tracks. Therefore, she can have her crimps in a row. So once you find the row of tracks, you want to go ahead and pin the hair out of the way. Therefore, it won't be in the way while you're trying to crimp that row of tracks. So once again, you want to go ahead and spray off the hair. After you spray the hair, go ahead and place your crimping iron on the hair and make sure you spread the hair out. Therefore, the imprint of the crimp can be on every piece of the hair. And you hold it there for about 5 to 10 seconds once again and spread the hair out and make the imprint in all of the hair. Once again, spray the Got To Be glue on the hair and then take your crimping iron. Make sure your piece is not too big. You see I split it up. Make sure your piece is not too big going onto the crimping iron, because if it's too big, all of the hair will not crimp and all of the hair won't have the crimp wave on it. So just make sure you go all the way down and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. So I'm just going to fast forward the video and let y'all continue to watch me crimp the rest of her hair. Here's an overview of how the hair is looking right now in the back. So we're getting near her leave out, and I told her to look at her edges because I said her edges were laying down in the video. She's talking about some, ooh, they are.
From little girl to women.
So we're near the front of the hair and she just started feeling herself, y'all. But I hope y'all are getting the concept of crimping the hair. So once again, I want to tell y'all, make sure y'all comb the hair out and then spray the got to be spray on the hair. And then take the crimping iron and go all the way down with holding it for 5 seconds on each part of the hair and go all the way down the track. So once you get to the top of the hair, you want to make sure that her real hair blends with the weave and within the crimps. So make sure you comb the hair out and spray what got to be glue, what got to be spray, and make sure you crimp all the parts of the hair, therefore it can blend really good. Also, you can see where I took the crimping iron and pressed it against her hair to make all the flyaways lay down. As you can see, the crimps are a bit hard. They're going to fall anyway, so once they fall, they'll look better. But you want to make sure they're hard in the beginning so they fall nicely. So I slowed the video down so y'all can see her feeling herself. She loves her crimps, and I'm so excited she tried the crimps. I love it on her. It's so cute. So here's a 360 of the hair. I hope y'all learned how to do it and enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, my Chanels.